Assalamu alaikum. I am in a downtown pizza parlor, okay? Now the difference from our pizza is their pizza, the filling is inside the pizza, not on top of the pizza. You want to have a look? Let's look at it. Look at this guy. What's your name?
Atif.
Atif, okay. Show me how you do from the beginning. Let's do from the beginning. This? Haji?
محمد تعال بالنسبة محمد بلال.
Okay. Do again. Audience, this is not Singapore, this is not Malaysia, it is Egypt. In Egypt they're doing this. Okay. Okay. Okay, now look at Nana, look there, is what is this? Beef?
مين؟
Meat, okay. All right. Meat. Okay. All right. They really press. Cheese. Cheese, yes, from mozzarella cheese. Now goes the mozzarella cheese. Look at that. Look at mozzarella cheese. They're not putting on the top of the pizza. It's inside. Okay, more mozzarella. And then Rumi, okay. So it's full of cheese, look. And then got a tomato. Looks like chili. Like pepper. Like pepper, green pepper. That is the one we are looking for. Look at that.
زي التقليد هذه البيتزا الإيطالي، تقليد بيتزا إيطالي.
Okay, done. Look at that.
بولا.
Egypt pizza. But Malaysia also have Malaysia same.
ماليزيا كده. جبت مصريين.
Okay. All right. Look at that. Look at the square piece. Yes. Now look at the shape of the pizza. Look at that. Look at that. They got round pizza, they got square pizza, and see how it. See how fast? They're very efficient. Look, this guy is cutting it, that guy is making it. Look. Look how we cut it. Look. All right. Atif, thank you so much. Jazakallah khairan. Okay, thank you.